Hi guys, it's Erastus again. Last 2 weeks ago, I made a video on Watch Gang for my original subscription for the month of November. This was the watch I got, if you could remember. So I did a search for the watch online to get the value of the watch, the William L 1985. So the value of the watch is 185 pounds. In US dollars it should be 160 US dollars, and in Canadian dollars it's almost 205 Canadian dollars. So that was my first month subscription for Watch Gang, the original category. So for the month of December, I decided to still enroll again for the original category to see the kind of variety that they have. So I got my December package for Watch Gang original. So I'm gonna unpack the box. I'm gonna open the box to see what Watch Gang sent for the month of December. So the box is open. As you can see, it's my name, my address, Watch Gang. Same style packaging like last one. This is the watch. It's a Mofiq, and that's Watch Gang December 2018. It's a Mofiq. I'm gonna open it. It's a Mofiq. I'm still gonna find out what it is. So that's the box. Wow, that's the warranty for the watch. I guess Mofiq, as you can see in its original packaging. Wow, this seems to be quite great. It's authentic leather. Seems to be good. So this is the watch I got for my original subscription for the month of December. Again, the subscription, it's $29.99, which is about 35 Canadian dollars. I'm gonna find out the value for the watch, and then I'm gonna make another video about the value for the watch. Thank you guys so much for watching.